Airbus is a leading European multinational aerospace company known for designing, manufacturing, and selling commercial aircraft, helicopters, military aircraft, satellites, and defense systems. Founded in 1970, Airbus is headquartered in Leiden, Netherlands, with main facilities in France, Germany, and Spain. It is best known for its commercial airplane models, including the A320, A350, and A380, which compete with US-based Boeing. Airbus emphasizes innovation, safety, and sustainability, focusing on reducing emissions and developing technologies like electric and hydrogen-powered aircraft.